Picking up this phone could change your life. This is a Call Me Ishmael phone, and you can find one or host one in your local bookstore, library, coffee shop, pub, museum, or school. Wherever this phone ends up, incredible stories begin.
Hi, Ishmael.
Hey, Ishmael.
Hi, Ishmael.
Yo, Ishmael.
The phone contains thousands of pre-recorded book recommendations from readers around the world.
Calling in to tell you about ebooks that changed my life forever.
Simply dial an extension to hear how a beloved book changed someone's life,
That book is Toni Morrison's Song of Solomon.
and how reading that book might change yours. The phone also allows you to have real conversations with fictional literary characters.
Thank you for calling. Winnie-the-Pooh here in the 100-Acre Wood. May I recommend a book for you, or perhaps we can chat over a smackerel of something nice?
Powered by InWorld.AI's incredible technology, the Call Me Ishmael phone allows you to connect with Winnie-the-Pooh, Elizabeth Bennet, Othello, Sherlock Holmes, and many more.
Hello, Sherlock Holmes at your service.
Just dial the character's extension to start the conversation.
May I recommend a book for you?
Each character's goal is to help you discover your next great read.
May I suggest the works of Edgar Allan Poe?
Great rec, but I'm afraid we've already read all his books.
Fear not, my dear friend. I shall endeavor to find you a gripping tale that will keep you on the edge of your seat.
This phone aims to connect people everywhere through the life-changing power of reading. If you'd like to answer its call, please consider hosting or sponsoring a Call Me Ishmael phone at your favorite local literary venue. And while you're there, don't forget to get a copy of the Call Me Ishmael Phonebook. Doing so will make these two authors and their little reader very happy. To learn more, visit callmeishmael.com today.